Big, broad-shouldered, commanding, in the true military manner. That's the Oldsmobile B44 Series 90, known as the Custom Cruiser. It's been called the finest 8 in the field of medium price, and it has the look that spells long-lasting quality. Here's true stamina styling, styling that will last along with the car, styling that takes its beauty from true sturdiness of design. And for those who like the super streamlined touch, here's the handsome, graceful Custom Cruiser Club Sedan. Performance? Try where you will to match it. For the B44 Custom Cruiser has an engine of greater firepower. It's designed throughout to help keep a busy America on the move. Dynamic is the word for it. The Oldsmobile B44 Series 70, offered either as a 100 horsepower 6 or a 110 horsepower 8. It's big, it's husky, it's modernly streamlined, and it's quality through and through. Did you ever see a car with smoother lines? Even when standing still, it looks as if it were going places. And did you ever see a more comfortable interior? Plenty of room here for 3 to ride at ease. Is it price you're asking about? Far less than you might think. The Oldsmobile B44 Dynamic Cruiser sells in the field of popular price. And it's a car that will be popular with you for many years to come. It's a special car for special times. The Oldsmobile 60 B44. It's handsomer, heavier, huskier. New in style, but olds in quality. It's a car that has what it takes to take it and looks the part in every sturdy inch. Look at those lines. There's true streamlining for you. Beautiful and impressive from every angle of vision. And here's modern design carried still further in the streamlined Oldsmobile 60 Club Sedan. The cost? Less than you might expect. The Oldsmobile B44 60, 6 or 8 is still priced just above the lowest. And it's built to be durable, dependable, and economical to run.